Meaning of fact-finding.
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 Fact-finding. Fact-finding refers to the process of gathering information or evidence to support or verify claims made in a particular situation. The goal of fact-finding is to establish the truth or certainty of a matter, often as part of an investigation or decision-making process. This may involve conducting interviews, reviewing documents or other records, and analyzing data or other information sources. The result of fact-finding can vary depending on the situation, but it typically involves a report or summary of findings that can help inform future actions or decisions.